Are you a busy mom that thinks you don't have time to get your vehicle's windows tinted? At Turbo Tint, we can complete that installation in 1 hour or less, getting you and your family back on the road. At Turbo Tint, you can browse and buy all online and schedule a time to bring your vehicle in at your convenience. Our exclusive online system lets you know exactly what to expect. And when you arrive for your appointment, you get to take advantage of our incredible lounge-like experience with snacks, drinks, premium coffee, and even something for the grown-ups. Our family-owned business was founded right here in Oklahoma City 40 years ago by my father. And now, I'm proud to say it's being operated by the second generation of Goodmans. And with over 3,000 Google reviews and a 4.9-star rating, our customers say it best. Turbo Tint's the only place to go for your window tinting needs. So whether you want to protect your car or your home without the hassle, choose Turbo Tint. Click the link to buy and schedule all from the comfort of your home with fully transparent pricing and no high-pressure salesperson.